Hello.
Hello.
Supervisor.
Mom, it's been a long time.
Got the supervisor coming.
Yeah. How you doing?
Pretty good.
All righty.
So what is this?
Huh?
What is this?
I'm not sure. I was just trying to determine that.
Trying to determine what it
It's
is.
not a standard Harley gold color.
No,
It's a
no.
Harley fender. It must be a remake of a... It's not a panhead, it's an iron head.
No, it ain't no iron head.
It is too. Those are aluminum heads.
How's that make it iron?
Well, aluminum head.
Aluminum iron head. Okay.
Looks like you got a clutch problem.
Yeah,
Whoa,
it's open.
Yeah, it's open, yeah.
Why don't you look on the other side of the bike, you can see what it is.
I hope you're not photographing.
Yes, we are.
You would thank you.
But you got your skirt down this time, so you're okay. Last time we had our skirt up.
Oh, really?
What is it now?
Oh, you got the tank off.
Yeah. What kind of motor is it now?
That used to be the gas side, I think. I've forgotten.
Yeah. What kind of motor is it now?
The panhead.
There you go.
Well, I was going to say panhead because of the fenders and the glide.
There you go.
But I couldn't
Hello?
see it up in there. No, definitely.
Hello.
And now is that one of these new ones or an old one?
No, it's an old one, a 59. It's an oldie.
Yeah, but it's the wrong color yellow.
Well, he likes weird colors.
It's a beautiful color. I love it.
It put a little pearl in it. That's what changed it.
Well, no, usually it's an aqua or a red or a blue.
Blue.
Yeah.
She likes some
I
stock
don't
bikes.
see
The
the
stock
yellow very
colors,
much.
yeah.
She's not
They
used to
have a yellow, but I
aftermarket
didn't
looking
think it was
bikes.
that color.
These modern bikes.
Well, she's been around it all these years, you
She
know.
knows what they are.
Yeah.
Gotta get the memory work. Brain cells have to get warmed up a little. Like your bike, gotta get warmed up. What about the
I
fishtail?
like fishtails.
You like
You
that
like
fishtail?
She likes fishtails.
She even
There you
knows
go.
the fishtails.
Yeah, I like fishtails.
She knows
Good
what bikes.
little flair.
She knows what bikes
Oh
are.
yeah, well all
She
these
knows-
years with your dad and then
She knows
you.
the parts.
Yeah.
She surprised a lot of people. She knows what they're riding and what they're
So
working
what
on.
is this thing? I don't recognize that.
That's because of an oil gauge. We never had those in bikes.
They come with. They
It's a
don't
typical
come
oil
with
gauge. The needle's in the same spot whether it runs or doesn't. So
It's just there for looks. It doesn't work.
Well,
at least it doesn't leak like
I
everything
don't
else.
ever recall Harley having an oil gauge.
They never did.
They didn't.
They just sort of let it run through the bottom.
Are you gonna kickstart it for us? We're getting tired.
Huh?
Are you gonna kickstart it? We're getting tired. You have to use.
I can barely stand up.
Well, you only can use one cane when you kick though. You have to use the other foot to kick.
I don't think that's going to work too well.
No, you have to use one to hold and one to kick. You can
There you
do it.
go.
I don't even know if I can get my knee that high.
Yeah.
Yeah, the leg doesn't go that high. Well, we got a crate. You can stand on the crate.
Did you start them back in your day?
Huh?
Did you start them up back in your day?
Heavens no.
She don't like
I
bikes.
don't like motorcycles.
Okay.
She don't like
I
them.
really don't.
She knows what they are, but she don't like them. All right, we got to where it
Never
starts
ride.
now, so.
Oh man, Tatro, I tell you, you're a
Well,
hell
this
of a
is different.
mechanic.
That's not panhead.
No, it's not.
Shovel it. Late model.
she
65.
can
65, I think it's correct.
AMF? Got that kind of crap?
Oh, yeah, well, yeah, you get a crap for EMF.
Oh, you're missing a.
Yeah, it's missing some
a
screws. It's got a lot of things that it needs
Well,
to.
your trim's going to fall off.
It still needs to be worked
Yeah,
on.
she's picking on his bike.
Yeah.
You're picking on his bike.
That's good. Hell, they picked on us all day.
Yeah.
Whew. Gave your son a run.
Yeah.
Half that's my own fault for not checking his filter correctly, but oh
Yeah,
well.
but you're a hell of a mechanic, Tatro.
What happened to the
Man, I'll
creeper?
tell you, you know your stuff.
You don't use creepers anymore?
I bought those new pads. They work pretty good.
Yeah, but they don't roll.
I like
They
those.
don't roll.
No, you can just kick them.
You just kick them over. They got a little more padding on
And
them.
they're
Yeah, but
low.
that doesn't work
They're
when
more
you're laying on
comfortable
your
too.
back.
Yeah.
They're more comfortable
Hey, I
anyway.
saved my husband's life with those wheels.
Those wheels, I bet. Pulled them out of there
If
quick.
it had
huh?
those wheels, he would have had a transmission land right on his chest.
Ooh, man.
That would have been the end of it.
Drag his butt out.
Wow.
That's how I met him.
Is that right?
Yes, I grabbed a big long torque wrench and I jammed it under that transmission as fast as I could. I said, "Get out!"
Wow.
And he said, "Why?" I said, "Get out now! I can't hold it." And zoom! One push, he was gone.
Look how quick you were to think that. Put that right
And
there.
he-
Wow.
The transmission missed his foot by 1 inch.
She used to work on her own cars. She did her own transmission rebuilds in her
Really?
own cars.
Wow.
Yeah.
What year were you rebuilding
I
your
grabbed the
trannies?
longest wrench I could find.
What year were you rebuilding your
Wow,
trannies
that's
on your car?
Huh?
What year were you rebuilding your tranny on your car?
I can't hear you.
What year did you rebuild your tranny on your car? Your transmission, you used to take them apart.
Oh, that was a 48 Ford.
Modern vehicle.
Wow.
My brother had a 48 Ford. He said if I damaged the transmission, I had to repair it. So I took off every gear off low gear. Stripped it clean.
Wow.
He had a
ain't that
spare
something?
cluster, so I found the cluster. And I took the whole thing apart and put it back together.
You got a family of mechanics
That was
and machinists.
That was before Dad.
Yeah, look at that.
57 probably.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes the
I was in high school.
There you go.
Wow.
All right, we'll get back to this later.
And he came home and he says,
What? Oh, I got more
well, I got to
stories.
take my transmission apart until it's all done. He said, what are you talking about? I just completed it. And he says, I can't run with you doing the transmission. You don't know what to. I says, look, take it up to Riverside and try it out. He got 2 full runs off of it. He came back, he says, Sherry, I've never gotten 2 full runs.
So that was
Wow.
a
He
drag
said, I got
race.
2.5
I wonder,
runs.
Right.
I wonder why the low gear was broken. It wasn't her.
He says, maybe I should have you build my transmissions.
That's pretty cool. Wow. Ain't that
I
something?
says, no, I don't remember how it goes back together. I had a lot of problem with the dogs.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
And
they.
I had a problem with the shaft. It wouldn't line up right.
Oh,
We'll
well.
let the dogs work right, huh?
That's right. The dogs and the leashes weren't
Yeah.
Well,
working.
everything, I couldn't get the shaft to line up front to rear. And the dogs, it was funny.
Yeah. Yeah.
They're like cast iron or something. Funny
Ain't that
looking
so?
things. That's
Wow.
why they're called dogs.
That's
I couldn't
pretty
get
cool.
those things to work. I finally got those to work. I was happy.
There you go.
Wow.
I did that in about 2 hours.
So next video we'll have a
Wow.
48 Ford transmission rebuilt.
Yeah, there you go. Get the dogs going.
There you go. All right, we're out of here.
Oh.